Hey, my friends, are you overwhelmed by endless bills, feeling the weight of worrying in your sleep at night about money? Well, hey, you're not by yourself because I was once there. You know, it was a time when I couldn't do anything, but work. I didn't have time for my friends. I didn't have time for my family, my kids, my grandkids, nothing, you know, until one day a friend of mine introduced this blueprint to me. I was skeptical, of course, just like anyone else would be. I'm like, all these scams and schemes going around. You know what I mean? It just, I couldn't, I didn't believe it. You know what I mean? So, what happened was they introduced this to me. So, okay, I say, well, what do I have to lose? I took the time out. I went, read about it, I researched it, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Even though I don't have the money, I'm still gonna try it. So I figured out a way to come up with the money. It wasn't much, a little small one-time investment, you know. So I did it. And I promise you, from that day, I just wish someone would have told me about this 5 years ago. 5 years ago. If I would have known about this 5 years ago, then the financial burden that I went through during COVID, when I lost both of my stores, and I lost over $170,000 into a failed business venture, you know, none of that would have happened. I would have had my money still in my pocket plus more, you know, and probably would have been a millionaire by now, you know. But with this proven system, we teach you step by step how to make daily pay. You can make up to $900 a day. $900 a day. And I'm telling you, it is no joke, no gimmick, nothing. So I tell you what, if you are in the same position that I was in, you know, didn't have money to do anything, man, don't have, I have to go to work, have to do overtime, don't have time to go to my kids' football games, basketball games, don't really have time for myself, then I promise you, you will not regret by just looking at the video. That's all you got to do. I'm not asking you to purchase nothing or anything. I just want you to look at the video and tell me, what do you think it would do for you in your life? All right. So if that's you, if you were like me and had didn't have the time because you're too busy trying to chase money, you know, and you're tired of chasing money and you don't want to chase money anymore. You want money to chase you, you know, 2 hours a day is all it takes. It just takes 2 hours a day. And the community and the mentorship that's within this program will teach you step by step how to make daily pay. So, hey, if you want to be a part of the team, if you want to learn how to financially secure your life, just type yes in the comments and I will absolutely be happy to share it with you. I promise you, I'm not a gatekeeper. I'm trying to give you this information. All right? Y'all have a good one.